Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one, so let's jump straight into it. The first step is to open the Reconcile tool. Now from your QuickBooks dashboard, you want to go to Settings or just click the gear icon and then select Reconcile. And now choose the bank account that you want to reconcile. Step 2 is to enter statement details. Type in the ending balance and ending date from your bank statements along with any service charges or interest is earned. Step 3 is to match transactions. Check off each QuickBooks transaction that matches the ones on your bank statement and make sure amounts and date match exactly. Step 4 is to find and fix differences. Now, if differences show at the top isn't $0.00, look for missing or duplicate transactions and correct them before proceeding. Step 5, of course, is to finish the reconciliation. Now, when the difference is 0, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation and save your record. A pro tip is to always reconcile monthly to ensure that your QuickBooks data matches your actual bank records. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.